Well, here we are walking out to the shop, and there's the greenhouse. Got some plants in there, put some potatoes in there yesterday from sprouted potatoes. Found some of my other ones there. This is the chicken coop we've been working on last few days, mostly my son-in-law's, and coming along pretty good. And then there's the chicken run outside here, which is about 20 by 30 feet, I think. Gonna put some shingles on top of this tar paper and build a little chicken coop inside there, roosting area, and it's well built. They did a great job. I just helped for a little bit, very little, but they're excited about chickens and all that, so we'll go from there. Pretty awesome. Well, there's the shingles. Gotta plow up this field here soon. Can't wait to get black soil turned over and a cover crop planted. Well, we might have some sunshine. There's some blue sky up there. That'd be great here. It is Saturday, a couple days before Christmas. We got lots of moles around here right now. See, the soil is going to be pretty nice. Hate to have it plowed up by moles. May as well plow it up with a plow. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Merry Christmas.